In part 2 of our road trip, we head down the most scenic drive in the UK. We track deer and strawberries on the side of Meall Odhar. Millie eats a hot crisp.
Give Jacob!
And we find ourselves the most secret, beautiful, secluded camp spot on the side of a beautiful Scottish loch. 2, 3, 4. We're parked down at Loch Arkaig at the moment, and we've just hiked up a little way, and the views are amazing again. Following some deer track, fairly fresh. A smaller deer track here too. So there's more than one coming down, and it looks like there's young ones with them. Maybe they go down to drink somewhere down there in the morning. Found a big crop of wild strawberries which we're now feasting on, and they're rather lovely. There's loads of them all over.
In Scotland. What? Can we go round and feed them the dried strawberries? Yes. Yes.
Yeah. This is our sleeping place for tonight. Absolutely beautiful. On the side of this wonderful Scottish loch. We drove through Fort William earlier, and it was absolutely packed, and I was surprised how many people there were. We actually came away a week early to try and avoid some of the crowds, but yeah, it was really busy, and there was traffic everywhere. I thought, oh, we're not going to find it, but we found a really lovely spot and we seem to be a long way from anyone else. It really does seem to be very quiet up here. Look at that. Those views and that just empty space. Exactly what we wanted. Oh, that's a firewood. So Gala is chief fire builder on this this holiday. So what's your tips for making a good fire?
Get dry wood, small bits at the bottom. Make sure air can get underneath the cardboard at the bottom, and then build the fire up so that it funnels up into a pinnacle at the top. Think about airflow.
Never do this with a child.
Mummy's good at airflow, isn't she?
Yeah.
Always put.
Get that bit there. Kneel down so that the wind doesn't get them out.
Never tried this at home, kids.
You're a kid talking to...
Hold the match higher up.
Jack's doing a top tick.
Let's get it.
There you go.
Oh!
Hold it up, let the match go first.
Oh, Mum, teach him.
Bang! Made the dog jump.
Poor Jake.
Get that bit there. There you go. Under it. Hold it under it.
Jackie, what do you think? What do you think?
He thinks no TikTok.
Let me do one now.
Never tried this at home, kids.
Mum's
This for
dog
safety
making light.
reasons only.
Oh dear, that was on camera as well.
Let me hold the camera.
It's alright. This is Millie doing the new spicy hot jalapeno and cheese Pringles. A whole one at once.
Really?
Give me your
Bob.
pizza. Jake liked it anyway.
Wait, it's not that spicy. Why is it not spicy? Wait, it is. Wait, it isn't.
Right, come on, these all at once. Come on, get on with it.
He licked them.
Never mind.
What do you mean, never mind? Okay, then.
Oh, she did it all. Yay!
Ah, wait, never mind, they are spicy.
Fire go.
Give Jacob! Let's go to the car, I need to get drunk.
Mummy has been successful with a fire one more time.
Do you mean 10 billion times?
Excellent. And the sun's coming back out again. Time to crack open Le Vino. Okay, so we found the best campsite it was an absolutely amazing campsite. We're sitting here in the middle of nowhere and we can see no other signs of human life, and it's really great. It gives us great feeling of wilderness. But we were lazy buggers and we couldn't be bothered to pitch a tent, so we're all sleeping in the van tonight. So Jackie's dancing in the back, Millie's hiding right at the back, Scarlett's just stressing over her e-cig, but
Show him the dog.
oh yeah, and Jake is very happy and comfortable. I don't suppose anybody can see that,
Jake has no room.
but Jake is very he's got the most room in the whole van. But yeah, this is a lovely place to be, and maybe we'll stay another day, I don't know.